Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link Jira tickets to parent tickets. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to open the Jira ticket that you wish to link as a child. This is the ticket that will essentially be nested under a larger overarching task or issue, often referred to as the parent ticket. Once you have your child ticket open, direct your attention to the ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 dots, and is typically located on the ticket's detailed page. Clicking this icon will give you access to additional options. After clicking the ellipsis, a menu will appear, and from this list, you need to select the option labeled Add Parent. After choosing Add Parent, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu is where you'll select your parent issue. Having a well-organized list of tasks and knowing which one to choose as the parent will make this step feel seamless and intuitive. Once you've identified and selected the correct parent issue, click Done to confirm you want this child ticket linked to the selected parent ticket. And that's it. So that is how you can link Jira tickets to parent tickets. So that's all for this video. Thanks.